Do I look freaking yoked, bro? I'm gonna show you how to do an ice bath in your own home. You need to have a bathtub. If you don't have one, if you have a shower, sorry, you're out of luck. But just using ice from 7-Eleven, your own bathtub, water, how to do the entire process, what it's like, how I do it, so that way maybe it'll inspire you to do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now let's do an ice bath, baby. I bought 30 pounds of ice from 7-Eleven. You can buy pounds of ice anywhere. 30 pounds is what I'm using. And then I'm gonna use the ice from the fridge, whatever is in there. And I'm gonna turn the water cold. Here in Colorado, the water's relatively cold. Like I could even do the ice cold bath with the water on cold. Some places the water might be warmer, but try it out. See what works for your body, for your bath, for your ice tub. I'm about to do an ice bath. Wow, this looks beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. This is just so big. I'm doing an ice bath. I'm pouring up the bath right now. And the goal, the plan here is, I get so orange when I walk in here, but I'm gonna fill up the bathtub with as much cold water as I can. It's on fully cold. I live in Colorado, so the water stays relatively cold when you're colding it. And then I bought a whole bunch of ice from 7-Eleven, as you can see here. Look at that, 3 bags, not a lot, but hey, it's better than nothing. Maybe I'll put this ice in there too. And I'm gonna fill up the entire thing, the bathtub, with cold water. I'm gonna hang out in there for like 10 to 15 minutes, see how that goes. And it's gonna wake me up, make me feel super energized, and it's just a great way to like reset. If you're just feeling down, not energized, not excited, just cold therapy, cold showers. This ice bath is just even more intense and longer in the cold water. Wow, this is heavy, my arm's getting tired. But that's kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm wearing the Whoop on my arm here. It's so orange in there. And it's about to be lit. I figured out the solution, boys. So this is what you want to do. You want to grab a light. Wow, it's so bright right now. But you put the light in there, and now it's white, and now the colors will be the same. And now I can record a video in here doing the ice bath, and it's gonna look great. Look at that beautiful lighting. No more orange. That's not a lot of ice. If you look at this ice, that's all I got. That's it. So that's why we got 3 more bags, baby. 10 pounds. 2 more. This is how you do an ice bath. You just buy some ice from 7-Eleven. You start to fill up your bathtub with cold water. The ice chunks are still there, so I'm gonna let it kind of hang out. And then I'm gonna sit in there. Sadly, I don't know the temperature right now of this bathtub ice bath. Aim for like 5, maybe 10 minutes, because it's probably warmer than like most ice baths. It is cold. Oh, I'm gonna go in there and try. I'll set a timer, and you'll watch me, bro. You watch me, baby. And one thing, the bathtub obviously doesn't fit my entire body. So what I'm gonna do is lower or upper body first, and then I'll do lower body second. And that way I can be able to kind of get my entire body. So maybe 5 minutes on each side, and then I'll sit out of it, and then just really slow breaths, right? Breathing is very, very important. My body heat is also gonna warm up the bathtub, and the ice is gonna melt faster, so something to keep in mind. Practice on both my devices here. All right, this is the hardest part, is getting in, but once you get in, just mind over matter, right? Yeah, so this is it. I'm just gonna watch the ice, and that's about it. Thanks for joining us today. Well, JK, I'm gonna go in, okay? It's about mentally preparing, because it's challenging, obviously, right? You gotta mentally prepare. And you gotta really think about, like, why are you doing this? Why are you going in the ice bath? My intention today is I wanna be a better creator. I want more discipline, more energy, more focus, and that is why we're doing it. Life-changing, baby. If you wanna change your life, ice baths is the way to do it. Woo! I'm gonna do lower body first, because this is not easy. Okay, upper body now. I've definitely been a little more stressed today, so that obviously makes it more challenging. But the water is also melting. Most of the ice is almost gone. And the water levels are decreasing. After 2 minutes, it's gotten a little bit easier, less painful. 4 minutes, upper body now. And then I'm just gonna wash my face with the cold water. A little bit of shivering. where you want to focus on your breath. If I had a sauna, I would jump into the sauna right now. Maybe switch back and forth. But I don't have a sauna. This ice bath is gonna help me help my body physically as well as me mentally handle more stress. So it's teaching my body that, as well as reduce inflammation in my body, because like, you know, icing, you ice an injury. All right, that was about like 8 minutes maybe in the ice bath in total. Obviously not the entire body, but we got most of it. Now I'm feeling a little chilly, but as soon as my body starts to refresh, I can feel my blood, essentially, like I feel like cold blood running through my veins, and you get this adrenaline rush and this energy that's just absolutely amazing. And I already feel really good right now, and I think my day's about to get reset. I'm just feeling better. I was stressed out, I was not feeling great, and now this ice bath is just gonna change my day. Feeling so good. I'm just gonna walk around, get some blood flow moving, and allow my body to naturally re-warm. All right, now that I've spewed water all over the entire apartment, I'm feeling pumped. This is an ice bath. How to do an ice bath in your own home.